Okay, so for practice problem number 15, a school tuition fee is 20,000 pesos for 15 units or fewer, and 1,500 per additional unit beyond 15. Write the piecewise function and compute the tuition for 18 units. So we're given 20,000 pesos for less than or equal to 15 units, and then 1,500 pesos per unit above 15. So require the piecewise t a function of u, and the tuition for u is equal to 18. Our solution will be 2 a function of t a function of u is equal to 20,000 for I 2 for is equal to u less than or equal to 15, and then is equal to 20,000 plus 1,500 uh, times u minus 15, and for u is greater than 10. So for t a function of 18, use the second condition, 20,000 plus 1,500 times 3, that's equal to 24,500. And then practice problem number 16. A restaurant offers free delivery within 3 kilometers. 30 pesos for 47 kilometers, and 50 pesos for more than 7 kilometers. Write the piecewise function and calculate the delivery fee for 6 kilometers. So we're given free if it is less than or equal to 3 kilometers, and then 50 pesos for d is greater than 3 but is less than or equal to 7, and 50 pesos for d is greater than 7. So required the piecewise are a function of d, and phi for d is equal to 6 kilometers. So our solution, our piecewise function, are a function of d is equal to 0 for d is less than or equal to 3, and is equal to 30 for d is greater than 3 but is less than or equal to 7, and then equal to 50 for d is greater than 7, and our r a function of 6 is equal to 30 pesos, and that is the final answer. Practice problem number 17. A freelance worker charges 500 pesos per hour for the first 5 hours and 400 pesos per hour beyond 5 hours. Write the piecewise function and compute the payment for 8 hours of work. So, given 500 pesos per hour for 5 hours, and then 400 per hour beyond 5 hours. And then required piecewise, p a function of age, and payment for age is equal to 8. So required solution, we have p a function of age is equal to 500 h for h is greater than 0 but is less than or equal to 5. And then 500 times 5 plus 400 times h minus 5, that's equal to h for h is greater than 5. And then for p, a function of 8, substitute 8 in our second function, you will be getting 3,700 pesos. Practice problem number 18. A toll fee is 100 pesos for small cars, 150 pesos for vans, and 300 pesos for trucks. Represent this as a piecewise function and find the fee for a van. So we're given a small car 100 pesos, van 150 pesos, truck 300 pesos. So required the piecewise by type and the fee for a van. So solution, let P would be an element of the elements are car, van, and truck. So at all, a function of T is equal to 100 for T is a car. And then equal to 150 where T is van. And then equal to 300 for T is equal to the truck. So the toll of a function of van is 150 pesos. And then we have practice problem number 19. A bus fare is 20 pesos for the first 5 kilometers and 2 pesos for every additional kilometer. Write the piecewise function and calculate the fare for 12 kilometers. So we're given 20 pesos for the first 5 kilometer and additional of 2 pesos per kilometer after 5 kilometers. So required piecewise f a function of d and pair for d is equal to 12 kilometers. So solution, f a function of d is equal to 20 for d is greater than 0 but is less than or equal to 5 and equal to 20 plus 2 times d minus 5 for d is greater than 5. And the f, a function of 12, is equal to 34 pesos using the second condition. Practice problem number 20. A laundry shop charges 40 pesos per kilogram if less than 5 kilograms, 35 pesos per kilogram for 5 to 10 kilograms, and 30 pesos per kilogram if more than 10 kilograms. Write the piecewise function and compute the cost for 12 kilograms. So we're given 40 pesos per kilogram if W is less than 5. 35 per kilogram if W is greater than or equal to 5 but is less than or equal to 10. And then 30 pesos per kilogram if W is greater than 10. Require the piecewise L, a function of W, and cost for W is 12 kilograms. So solution, L, a function of W, is equal to 40W, for W is less than 5, and then it should have to be 35W, for W is greater than or equal to 5, but is less than or equal to 10, and then equal to 30W, for W is greater than 10, and for L, a function of 12 is equal to 360 pesos using the third condition. Let's proceed now to the MCQ for our quarter 2 numbers and algebra lesson 13, solving real-world problems using piecewise function. MCQ number 1. A taxi company charges 50 pesos for the first 2 kilometers and 15 pesos per kilometer thereafter. What is the cost of a 5-kilometer ride? A. 80 pesos. B. 95 pesos. C. 100 pesos. D. 120 pesos. MCQ number 2. A mall charges 30 pesos for the first 3 hours of parking and 10 pesos per hour after. How much is the fee for 7 hours? A. 60, B. 70, C. 80, D, 100, all in pesos. And then MCQ number 3. A cell phone plan offers unlimited text for 500 pesos per month. Calls are free up to 100 minutes, then 5 pesos per extra minute. What is the bill for 120 minutes? A, 500, B, 600, C, 700, D, 800. MCQ number 4. A delivery service charges 100 pesos for up to 2 kilograms plus 25 per pesos per additional kilogram. What is the cost for 6 kilograms? A, 150, B, 175, C, 200, D, 225. MCQ number 5. A gym membership is 1,000 pesos per month, but 700 for students. How much does a student pay? A, 500 pesos, B, 600 pesos, C, 700, D, 1,000 pesos. MCQ number 6. A speeding fine is 1,000 if overspeeding less than or equal to 20 km per hour and 2,500 if more. In a 60 km per hour zone, a car is caught at 90 km per hour. What is the fine? A, 1,000, B, 2,000, C, 2,500, D, 3,000. MCQ number 7. A water utility charges 200 pesos for less than or equal to 10 cubic meter plus 25 pesos per extra cubic meter. How much is the bill for 15 cubic meters? A, 250, B, 300, C, 325, D, 350. MCQ number 8. A store offers discounts 0% if less than or equal to 500 pesos, 10% if 501 to 2,000 pesos, and 20% if more than 2,000 pesos. What is discount applied on the 2,500 purchase? A, 200 pesos, B, 250 pesos, C, 400 pesos, D, 500 pesos. Practice MCQ number 9. A courier service charges 50 pesos for less than or equal to 5 kilometers and 10 pesos per extra kilometer. What is the charge for 12 kilometers? A, 100 pesos, B, 120 pesos, C, 150 pesos, D, 170 pesos. Now, MCQ number 10. A company's bonus is 5,000 for 1 to 3 years, 10,000 for 4 to 6 years, and 20,000 for more than 6 years. How much is the bonus of an employee with 5 years of service? A, 5,000, B, 7,500, C, 10,000, D, 20,000 pesos. MCQ number 11. A movie theater charges 200 pesos for adults, 150 pesos for students, and 100 pesos for children under 12. How much is charged for a child aged 10? A, 100 pesos, B, 150 pesos, C, 200 pesos, D, free. We will have the next part of our lesson.